Okay, so this one, they want us to graph 2 points and then draw a line through it, right? Okay, which should not be too challenging, especially if you're on graph paper. So 0, 3, right? 0, 3, that's actually, they give us the y-intercept, right? So there's 0, 3. And then 2, negative 1, right? 1, 2, negative 1 is here. And if I connect those, right? Whoops, clearly not great, but you get the idea. Now it says, what's the slope? So we could just count, right? We could start at this point up here, right? And count down 1, 2, 3, 4 down, right? So that's 4 down I moved. So down 4, that's negative 4. And then over 2, that's positive 2. So down 4, that's negative 4 over 2 is the slope. And the slope comes out to be negative 2. We could also do this algebraically, right? Because fortunately they gave us the y-intercept. So we know the equation of this line is y equals mx plus b, which is the y-intercept, which is 3. Now they also gave us another point, right? So we could substitute that in for x and y, right? X is 2 and y is negative 1, right? So I could put in negative 1 equals m times 2, which is x plus 3. So negative 1 equals 2m plus 3. Subtract 3 from both sides, and I get negative 4 equals 2m. And divide both sides by 2, and the slope comes out to be negative 2. So this way I did graphically by counting, this way I did algebraically.